Hi, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet the double chain half I cord. This technique creates a smooth, rounded cord that's perfect for bag straps, drawstrings, ties, and decorative edging. It's sturdy, holds its shape beautifully, and gives your finished projects a polished, professional look. Begin by pulling out a long length of yarn for the tail, approximately 3 to 4 times the desired length of your finished cord. Make a slip knot using both the long tail and the working yarn from the ball, then place it on your hook. Bring the tail strand under the hook to create a second loop. Yarn over with the working strand and pull through both loops on the hook. Continue repeating this sequence. Bring the tail strand under the hook, yarn over with the working strand, and pull through both loops until the cord reaches the desired length. Keep both strands evenly tensioned as you work for a smooth, consistent finish. And that's it! You now have a sturdy, rounded cord that's perfect for straps, drawstrings, ties, and decorative edging. It naturally finishes with 2 tail ends, making it easy to securely tie onto bag straps, drawstrings, or other attachment points. This creates a neat, sturdy connection without the need for additional hardware or complicated finishing techniques. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Happy crocheting!